Khula Asman, which means open sky, is a platform for creative expression by children and young adults. As we know, art is a universal language. Art has the ability to bring together people with diverse backgrounds of language, nationalities, and race. Art serves as a powerful medium of expression and has the ability to reach and touch global audience in a manner which no other medium can possibly do. We decided to use this beautiful medium of colors and ideas to enable children and young adults to express themselves through art. Let this wonderful journey begin.
In the series of painting with oil pastels, today let us learn about primary colors and secondary colors. Here are three oil pastels: yellow, blue, and red. These three are the basic colors, as these cannot be created by mixing any other colors. It is possible to get new colors by using these three colors. Let us see how this can be done. Now I have used yellow from one side and red from the other side. In between we will mix these two colors. Red is dark, so it is applied lightly, and yellow is light, so it has been used with some pressure. Now you can see that the orange color has been created by mixing red and yellow colors. Since we have purposefully applied the yellow directly on the red, the yellow crayon tends to have particles of the red color stuck on it. It is necessary to remove the red layer of the yellow crayon before the next use. Now let us see how blue and yellow mix. We will start with yellow color. On the other side, we will apply blue color. To mix well, we will apply yellow color again. Now you can see that we got green color. Blue, being dark, needs to be applied lightly. After that, rub it with paper or cloth and then apply yellow color on it. We got green now, so that means yellow plus blue is green. Next, we will mix blue and red colors. We will start with blue color and then add red to it. Now we can see purple color. I will show you again. We have applied blue color and then on that we applied red color. We will mix this with the help of cotton bud. We got a dark purple color. So that means blue plus red is purple. To get light green, we have to mix more yellow and less blue. More yellow plus less blue is light green. To get light orange, we have to mix more yellow and less red. More yellow plus less red is light orange. We can achieve this effect by rubbing with a finger or by lightly pressing the crayon. To get light purple color, we have to mix both colors lightly. Less blue plus less red is light purple. In this way, you can mix these colors. You can see that you can create different color shades out of the red, blue and yellow. Starting with only 3 primary colors, we can obtain several color shades and create beautiful paintings. Let us now look at the color wheel. Firstly, we will draw a circle and divide it into 3 equal parts. In the first part, we will apply the yellow color, blue in the second part, and red in the third part. The mixture of yellow color and blue color results in green color. Next, we will mix red and blue. I am mixing it with the help of cotton bud. We got purple color. Now we will mix red and yellow. We will apply red softly. While applying yellow, you will realize that some green particles have stuck to the yellow crayon. It is important to clean the crayon before using it again. The color wheel is now ready. Yellow, blue and red are primary colors. By mixing these, we get our secondary colors green, purple and orange. Even if we have only 3 primary colors, it is possible to create other colors by mixing them. The way we created orange, we can also create yellowish orange or reddish orange. we can also get reddish purple, bluish purple, yellowish green, bluish green, and similarly other different colors for creating our paintings. It is therefore necessary to have the three primary colors with us and understand how to mix them to achieve desired colors and different shades of these colors. Try creating various color combinations by using the concepts you have just learned. You will surely enjoy the process of creating new colors as you like. You can also make such lovely varied color, and every time you will get different shades. Before we conclude this video tutorial of primary and secondary colors, let us see some beautiful paintings by children. These paintings are part of the shortlisted paintings from Khula Asman art contests.